Do you think going on holiday together is a good way to really get to know people?
Yes, absolutely. Because when you're on a date, everyone is on their good behavior. But when you're on the airplane and the airplane's late and there's a kid screaming and they lose your luggage and the hotel has no room for you and you're hungry and you can't change your money, then you see what someone is really like.
That's true.
The airplane is late.
The airplane is late. Do you guys
Okay.
understand that?
Yes. O voo atrasa,
On the
né?
airplane, there is a baby.
A screaming baby. Yeah.
You are hungry,
Uhum.
but you didn't change your money.
You didn't change your money. Do you guys understand this expression? To change your money? Like, for example, if you go to the United States, you need dollars, not reais.
Yes.
Imagine if you go to the United States without dollars and you just have reais, but you want to buy food
Uhum.
and you didn't change your money, so you can't buy food.
So, okay, plane is late, screaming baby, and you're hungry with no dollars, just reais, and then you go to the hotel, and the hotel is like no reservation for you.
That makes you feel like really angry.
Makes you angry. Then you get to see if someone is a good person or if they go crazy.
Well, I would go crazy in a circumstance like that.
Uhum.
Yeah, but you wouldn't get crazy in front of Daniel Craig.
No, that's true. You guys know Daniel Craig, Fabiana,
Não,
Júlio?
não.
O
Pode dizer.
007, o cara que interpreta o 007, porque eu tenho uma tara com ele, o Daniel Craig.
Ah, é? Ah, meu Deus.
O Daniel quer comer Daniel Craig.
So that's it. So that's what Sádia was saying. Do you guys understand it now, Fabiana, Júlio?
Yes.
Yeah,
I
understand.
Okay.
Because you want to see the person when they're having a bad day.
So Fabiana, have you seen Julio having a bad day?
Today?
Like in your lifetime as a married couple, has she seen you having a bad day? Like, Fabiana, did you see Julio having a bad day? Like a bad moment, and he's like, ah! Have you seen him like that?
Yes.
Like pissed off?
All
Já.
this time?
Yes.
Yeah?
All the time. That's what he said.
Julio, have you seen Fabiana like pissed off?
Yeah.
Yes, it's normal.